Let me show you how to make a delicious spring pasta for dinner, starting with just a package of store-bought ravioli. These came from Trader Joe's, but you can use your favorite ravioli from anywhere. Butter, some panko breadcrumbs, clove of garlic. Toast, toast, toast until golden brown. I'm setting them aside until I need them at the end. Same pan, a little more butter. You can also use olive oil. When that melts, I'm gonna throw in the spinach. This will cook down to nothing. I'm gonna throw a few mushrooms in here. While the vegetables are cooking, I'm gonna bring a pot of salted water to a boil. I was supposed to defrost these peas, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna throw them in there as well, just so they are not frozen. I want the spinach to be a little more chopped up. I don't really want to drain it and chop it, so this is what I do. I do this all the time. Good pair of kitchen shears can be your best friend. Chop it on up. Okay, ravioli, everybody in the pool. I'm gonna throw one more clove of garlic in here. Now I'm gonna add some pasta water. Turn the heat down, and I'm gonna add some heavy cream. Let that cook for about 3 minutes. Oh, I'm also adding some Parmesan cheese. This is just at a simmer. Okay, I've drained the ravioli, and now I'm gonna put it into the sauce. Ooh, how good does this look? I'm gonna top it with those toasted garlic breadcrumbs, fresh oregano.